Shivana from 5th standard. Today I am going to tell a few words about pollution caused by factories. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution are some of the major types of pollution we are facing today. Buildings and factories have taken the place of jungle as a result. The pollution also increase. Smoke emitted by vehicles and factories is polluting the air. This makes it hard to breathe for animals and humans. Waste water from the factory to river and sea cause water polluting, which decrease drinking water quantity. So let us all take a step to make our world free of pollution. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Tanya Fatima from 7th A. Today I am introducing about the layers of atmosphere. The atmosphere can be divided into layers based on its temperature. These layers are the troposphere, the stratosphere and mesosphere and the thermosphere. The thermosphere. This is the lowest part of the atmosphere, the part we live in. It contains most of our weather, clouds, rain, snow. In this part of the atmosphere, the temperature gets colder as the distance about the earth increases by about 6.5 Celsius per kilometer. About the actual change of the temperature with high varies from day to day. Depending on the weather, the troposphere contains about 75% of all the air in the atmosphere and almost all of the water vapor. The decrease in temperature with high in a result of the decreasing pressure. The stratosphere. This extends upwards from the troposphere to about 15 kilometers. It contains much of the ozone in the atmosphere. The increase in temperature with high occurs because of absorbing of radiation from the sun by this ozone. Temperature in the stratosphere are highest over the summer pole and lowest over the winter pole. The mesosphere. The region above the stratosphere is called the mesosphere. Here the temperature again decreases with high, reaching a minimum of about 90 Celsius at the mesopause. The thermosphere. The thermosphere lies above the mesopause and it is region in which temperature again increases with high. The temperature increase is caused by the absorbing our engaging ultraviolet and X-ray radiation from the sun. The exosphere. The region about 500 km is called exosphere. It contains mainly oxygen and hydroatoms, but there are few of them at rarely cold. They follow ballistic under the influence of gravity and some of them escape right out into. Thank you.
To all, my name is Fatima Shahla, 6th A. This is the solar system. The solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the sun and the object that orbit it either directly or indirectly. Of the object that orbit the sun directly, the largest are 8 planets with the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planets and small solar system bodies. In there have 9 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. So these are his 9 planets. This is the sun. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system, and the sun is yellow dwarf star, a hot ball of glowing gases at the heart of our solar system. Its gravity holds the solar system together keeping everything from biggest planets to the smallest particles of debris in its orbit. Next is Mercury. This is the Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun in the solar system. It's just a little bigger than Earth's moon. It is the closest planet to the Sun, but it's actually not the hottest. Along with Venus, Earth and Mars, Mercury is one of the rocky planets. It has a solid surface that is covered with craters. Next is Venus. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, and it only planet named after a female. Venus may have been named after the most beautiful deity of the pantheon because it shone the brightest among the 5 planets known to ancient astronomers. Next is Earth. Earth is our home. The Earth is third planet from the Sun. It's only planet known to have an atmosphere containing free oxygen, oceans of water on its surface. Of course, like Earth, it is the 5th largest of planets in the solar system. About a fifth of Earth's atmosphere consists of oxygen produced by plants. Next is Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, and larger than only Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. The letters refers to effect of iron oxide prevalent or on Mars' surfaces, which gives it a reddish appearance, distinctive among the astronomers. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest in a solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass 1000 that of the Sun, but 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined. Next is Saturn. This is the Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system. After Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. Saturn's volumes greater than 716 is Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. Its name is refers to the Greek god of the sky Uranus, who according to Greek mythology was the grandfather of Zeus and the father of Cronus. It has the 3rd largest planetary radius and the 4th largest planetary mass in the solar system. Next is Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and farthest known solar planet from the Sun in a solar system. It is the 4th largest planet by diameter, 3rd most massive planet, and the densest giant planet. Next is Pluto. Pluto is the dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt, a ring of bodies beyond the orbit. If Neptune, it was the first and the largest Kuiper belt object to be discovered after Pluto was discovered in 1913. It was declared to be the 9th planet from the Sun. My name is Fatima Shahida, class 6A. This is the layers of atmosphere. An atmosphere is the layers of gases surrounding a planet or other celestial body. Its atmosphere is composed of about 78% nitrogen, 2% about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. Troposphere, the lowest region of the atmosphere extending from the Earth's surface to a height of about 610 km, the lower boundary of the stratosphere. Next is stratosphere, the layers of the Earth's atmosphere above the troposphere extending to about 15 km above the Earth's surface, the lower boundary of the mesosphere. Next is mesosphere, the region of the Earth's atmosphere above the stratosphere and below the thermosphere between about 100 and 50 km altitude. Next is thermosphere, the region of the atmosphere above the mesosphere and below the height at which the atmosphere ceases to have the properties of a continuous medium. The thermosphere is characterized thought out by an increase the temperature with the highest. Next is exosphere, the outermost region of a planet's atmosphere.